Infinix Note 50 Pro price in Pakistan and specifications 2025. Camera 108 megapixels plus 2 megapixels plus 2 MP internal storage 128 gigabytes, 256 GB memory RAM, 4 gigabytes, 6 GB processor MediaTek Dimensity 7200 battery 5000 mAh display 1080x 2436 pixels. Specs. Price in Pakistan, 83,999 Pakistani rupees. Launch. Status. Available. Network. 2G bands. GSM 850 900s 1800 and 1900 SIM 1 and SIM 2. 3G bands. HSDPA 800 850 900s 1700 and 1800s 1900 and 2100s. 4G bands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 20, 28, 38, 40, 41. Build. SIM. Dual SIM, Nano-SIM, dual standby. Camera. Primary. Camera 108 megapixels plus 2 megapixels plus 2 megapixels. Features. Ring LED flash, panorama, HDR. Video. 1080p at 30 fps. Secondary. Selfie camera 32 megapixels. Others. Video 1080p at 30 fps. Memory. Card slot. microSD. Internal. Built-in 128 GB 4 GB RAM, 128 GB 6 GB RAM. Display. Type. AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, multi-touch. Size. 6.78 inches. Resolution. 1080x 2436 pixels, approximately 393 ppi. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass Extra features 144 Hz. Powered by OS Android 15. Chipset. MediaTek Dimensity 7200. CPU. 2.8 GHz octa-core. GPU. Mali G610 MP4. Comms. WLAN. Wi-Fi 802.11 AB per gram NAC, dual band. Bluetooth. GPS. NFC. FM radio. USB. USB Type-C. Sound. Loudspeaker. 3.5 mm jack. Features. Sensors. Fingerprint, side-mounted accelerometer, proximity, compass. MISC. Colors. Black. Battery. Type. Capacity LiPo 5000 mAh, non-removable. Our rating. The overall rating is based on review by our experts. 10. Battery 10 tenths. Call quality 10 tenths. Connectivity 10 tenths. Camera 10 tenths. Design 10 tenths. Display 10 tenths. Features 10 tenths. Multimedia 10 tenths. Performance 10 tenths. Usability 10 tenths. Table of contents. Infinix Note 50 Pro price in Pakistan and specifications 2025. Infinix Note 50 Pro price in Pakistan is 83,999 Pakistani rupees. Imagine holding a smartphone that feels like a premium dream but doesn't drain your wallet, an affordable marvel that competes with the big dogs like Samsung and Oppo. Infinix Note 50 Pro price in Pakistan. The Infinix Note 50 Pro is a device poised to shake up Pakistan's mobile market in 2025. Priced at an expected 83,999 rupees, this gem promises flagship-level specs at a budget-friendly tag. It is a beacon of hope for tech lovers across Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, and beyond. Set to launch on March 31, 2025, the Note 50 Pro is already sparking excitement with leaks hinting at its jaw-dropping features. Let's unpack why this phone might be your next obsession. Infinix Note 50 Pro price in Pakistan. The Infinix Note 50 Pro is expected to retail at 83,999 rupees in Pakistan, translating to roughly $379 United States dollars. This price feels like a steal for a phone boasting 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. Available in a palette of stunning colors, think sleek blacks, vibrant golds, and more, it's not just a device, it's a statement in a market where flagship phones often soar past ours. 150,000. Infinix is playing a bold game, offering premium vibes without the premium cost. Whether you're a student in Faisalabad or a professional in Rawalpindi, this price point screams accessibility. Infinix Note 50 Pro price in Pakistan. A display of Infinix Note 50 Pro price in Pakistan. Picture this. You're scrolling through your favorite vlog on YouTube, and every frame pops with lifelike clarity. The Infinix Note 50 Pro's 6.78-inch AMOLED capacitive touchscreen delivers just that. With a 1080 by 2436 pixels resolution, its sharp,